constructor we just started, right? Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, yes, sir.
Yeah.
Are you sharing the screen? Unable to see the screen.
Are you all able to see my screen?
No, sir.
No problem.
No.
Thank you. Now,
Yes, we can see.
Yes, sir.
yeah. So last class we just started what is constructor. So what is constructor? Constructor is a method which is always same as class name. It is a special method. It is not a simple method. Simple method will have any name and it is used to access the class variable. Same way constructor is also a method, but it is a special method. Which name is always same as class name. But method name will not be a class name. And it will not accept even void type keyword also. While defining a constructor, it will not accept void keyword also. And it will be called by the JVM at the time of creating an object only. Means at the time of loading the class only, constructor gets executed by the JVM implicitly, internally. Okay? This is called constructor. Just one second. Yeah. So let's create a class and object, simple class and object. And close all this. Okay, let's take this example only. So Shruti has joined, fine. So here you go. I'm taking this program only. Now Control A, Control C. Close all this. Close all this. Close all this. Now who has joined? See, this is the problem. Now go here. Default demo. Let's delete everything. So now I am going to create one class. This is my class, simple class. I will remove all this. This is just a class. It is method. I will save this program. College college.java, and I will save in 8m batch. Yes. So this is your Java program. So this is college class. It contains main method. This is a student class. To load this class, I have created an object. So in this complete statement, student is a class, st is a reference variable which holds the address of the object new student, and new is a operator. This is a constructor. Here a student is a constructor. So at the time of creating an object only, this gets executed internally, implicitly by JVM. Okay. So that is constructor. Now to prove it, whether each and every time it gets executed or not, you should define this in the class and check whether it is getting executed or not. So let's say I'm writing it here. After method, I am writing. So constructor, what is constructor? How to define constructor name is always a constructor is a method whose name is always same as class name. So a student is a class name, a student is a constructor always same as this one. So here, so here, so here, I am writing constructor, default constructor. So whenever you will create an object, without calling this, see, without calling this will get executed. Because of why? What? Because of this statement. JVM executes this constructor and at the time of loading the class only. When class will get loaded? Whenever you will create an object. So from here, control will switch to constructor. This will get executed. I am not calling, but still it will get executed. So go here and move to CD morning. Something is there. It's and Java C. What is the name? Company or college. Right now, Java college. See here. After main, first default constructor is getting executed. Right? Understood this one? Is it clear this one or not?
Yes.
Now let me increase the font size a bit. Control minus minus. It is not getting. Where is that? Zoom out, zoom in, guys. In this. Zoom out. Zoom is there. Zoom in. Control num plus. I am doing this. Control num minus. No, minus is more. I think zoom out. Yeah. Zoom minus. Little bit more minus. Yeah. Is it visible for everyone?
Yes.
Are you able? Yeah. So yeah, this is constructor. Now I told you constructor is a special name, a special method, which name is always same as a class name. See, it is a method ending with a small bracket. So which name is always same as class name. So if you will write void before that, then it is not a constructor. Then it will be considered as a general methods. It will not, see, it will not get called now. If you have used void here, just compile and execute. See, hello main and study is getting executed, student is no. Because this is not a constructor now. Always constructor will not accept void keyword also. I have written it here somewhere. Here you see. Where is your notes? I forget. I have deleted by mistake, I think so. So if you'll go here, class object notes. Where is your notes, guys? 8M batch. 8M. Yeah, method of variable. This is the one. Yeah, this is the one, right? On.
Sir, please share these notes.
Ah,
Actually, last day I think we couldn't get the notes.
mhm.
Mm.
I didn't share.
I think no.
What is this? And I have written also. I all shared the today's class program and notes above. Please download and listen the recording.
Yeah, I'm
Okay.
not able to see. I will check. Okay.
I think
It wasn't for this class, sir. I think it was for the previous class. You didn't share with us.
Is it rest assured class? Let me
No,
open.
sir, it's Java Selenium class.
Yeah, that is fine, but this is what I am expecting, these notes. Let's check. See, same thing I shared with you people. This is the same notes. So please check. Okay. This note, whatever I taught in the last class and the Java file, both I have shared. I will be sharing here only. Attachment, program attachment will be there and notes attachment will be here. Okay. Any doubt in this? This is what I am teaching today also. The same notes. Whatever I shared with you. This is the one. Same, I am continuing on the same. See here. I am continuing on the same, this constructor.
So from where we can exactly download this? Is it coming in the chat?
Yes, yes. Teams chat here. If you will click on chat,
There's nothing, sir. Our chats don't have that history.
We can't
Yeah,
see
even I'm not able to see anything.
I
they have
hope
not given you. Yeah, others are able to access.
No, sir, we didn't receive any file.
hope history will be deleted. Maybe.
No, no. It is. I am able to see this
Actually,
now.
sir,
You.
we are temporarily joining this meeting. There is no
Mhm,
meeting invitation. That's why we are not able to see.
And
mhm,
hope
mhm.
only the organizer, you will be having that history.
So I have
Maybe.
to give the access to everyone, right?
Yes.
So what you do? You please ping in the group your email ID. Okay.
Sure.
In WhatsApp, you please ping your email ID and tell them, ma'am, please give me the access. Okay. Please give me the access. So here I think I have should add all, right?
Yes.
Somewhere, I don't know, they have to give the access, right? Or you all can ping me Gmail ID here and ping that in a group right now, everyone. Ma'am, we are not able to download right now, right in the WhatsApp group, in your group, wherever 8am Java batch is there, right there. Not here, right in WhatsApp group, WhatsApp group. There, hello, whoever is connecting person, hello, we are not able to download or see the files in Teams meeting. Can you please give the access?
But we are not joining with the email address, right? For the teams, we are just giving the name.
Yeah. So that's why you just ask them, please give access to Microsoft Teams to download the files or to access the chat. Now chats in the class, you are able to chat with me, right? You are able to chat with me. Now, right now you ping me.
Yes,
Yes.
at the time of call only we can able to check.
So
After
now,
this
okay,
call
now
we
you are
can.
able to, okay, wait. Now you are able to download this. Try to download this.
We are not able to see. Just forward again now. Then maybe we will able to see.
So here, so 8am batch. Again, I am sending this. Where is that? Method variable
Yes.
and college.java something is there. Okay,
Yes.
let's say I am sending all this. Okay. Now see,
Yes. Now able to see.
download right now only. Download right now only. And before ending the class, I will sending to test program also download there only. Okay.
Okay.
So I'm just getting download failed due to unexpected error. Anyone else is getting this?
Yeah,
Yes.
same error I'm also facing. Download failed due to unexpected error. Please try again.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah, you are clicking on download, you are getting this one, right?
Yes.
Yes,
Yes.
yes.
So all this is, so please, you are telling me because I am in the class, I will listen and again I will forget. Really, I am honestly speaking, because so many things are there. But this, guys, this is a training. These messages you should tell them frequently. We are not able to get the chat and this one. We are not having access to download and this one in Microsoft Teams. We are getting while downloading this error. Tell them right now in WhatsApp group. Ping everyone, and I will
Yeah,
support you. They are,
we can
yes, they are
open
not.
we can
Yeah,
open in browser. Yeah, we are unable to download, but we can open in browser.
in browser you are able to open. So from there you download. From there you download. And one more thing, guys. See here you are able to open
After
like this.
opening in the browser, we are able to download also.
Download like that you download. See here, I have opened here only and download. You people
Yeah.
don't have Teams application installed in your system?
Sir.
Like, so please, Teams app install in your system as well. Here you go and install it. Download the Teams and install it. This is so every time you will join through desktop. See, I have downloaded, installed it. Can you see that? See, after that, whenever you'll join, you may get all this facility. Anyway, you are able to download it now. But after this class, go and install Teams in your this one app you install, application you install in the team in your system. Teams, Microsoft Teams. Okay, first download this. Download all these three. And let me know if you all have downloaded this, all three files.
Yes. We're done.
Yes.
Right, downloaded. Good. So we are okay now. Now, no question of we don't have program and all, right? See, everything is having solution. If you people would have pinged me by 31st only, sir, we didn't get program, then what I would have done, I will tell, oh, no, I sent already. And you people will tell, no, we didn't get the program. In between, this management will come. So they are not having that access. After class, they cannot access these files, right? So they will tell frankly, okay, what is the solution? How can I do that? We are here to learn technical things, not these useless things, right? Their duty. They have to do this. If they are not doing, then I am here. Don't worry. Now, I will also support why they are not getting access after class. You people should chat like something so that I can support. Otherwise, they will tell he is only saying a student doesn't have any issue. That is a problem. So now, is it clear, guys? What is constructor? So see, void is also not allowed here. If you are writing void keyword, it means it will be considered as a general methods. Okay, and you have to call this. So this will not considered as a constructor. Not considered as a constructor. Construct. Okay. This will not considered as a constructor. This is a simple method. Error will also not come. Simple method. If you use void. Okay. So what we should write? We should write this one. This is your constructor. This is your constructor. Now see 833. Who has joined? Govindas. Yes, Govind, you are too late today. Or you are rejoined.
Sorry, I have rejoined. I have joined from mobile to desktop. Yeah.
Okay, don't give me surprise here. So many students are joining by 8:45. Okay, good. Now you see again you compile, execute. Now see default constructor. So constructor will not allowed as a void keyword also. This point is clear. It is a special method whose name is always same as class name. It will get executed at the time of loading the class only. Means loading the class means creating an object, right? And it gets executed internally, implicitly. See, I am not calling constructor here. Am I using any reference variable name in above class to call the constructor? Am I using? Am I writing stu.student? I am writing st.student anywhere. Am I writing? Tell yes or
No,
no.
sir.
I am not calling. So this is the behavior. JVM will execute this constructor whenever you will create an object that class will get loaded into memory. Fine. Now constructor is having two types. Again, I will share the notes when you are in the class only, updated notes. So constructor is having two types. Now I'll tell you, okay, just see what is the use of constructor. Someone asked yesterday. Yeah, someone is having question. So what is the use of constructor? Now let's see. Let's see, I have not initialized anything here. Age and name. I have not initialized anything here. So you have a constructor now, correct? If you will write it here, age and name, let's say here, take the same variable because already you declared age equal to, here you write something 55, name equal to something ABC or XYZ, whatever, or Isha, right? Default constructor, access this value age plus name. Now through method also, so see here age and name I am accessing. I am accessing age and name from method also. See age and name from method also. So actually what we should get the output, age will be 0 and name will be null, correct? Correct or not? Tell me. Here methods are used to access the class variable. What is method? Last class I taught you. What do you mean by methods?
It's the
Guys,
behavior.
It's a
yeah,
blueprint.
no. Class is a blueprint. Method is not a blueprint.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah.
Properties
So
of class.
I told you, you
Behavior.
people are no. See behavior. Yes, this is the
Yeah.
behavior. So method also I told something. See, methods are used to access the class variable or who shows the behavior of a class. So it is used to access the class variable. First, you should, why we are using method? To access the class variable. And I told you how to identify method. Any name ending with small bracket, starting with void, surrounded with this left and right flower bracket is a method. Say any name ending with bracket is a method, starting with void. And here, see, I told you I can access age and name. Can you see that? For that reason, methods we are using. Methods are used to access the class variable. Then only he will show the behavior. No, if this student is studying, and he can access the properties and behavior, right? Properties also he can access. So age and name we can access through method, the same class. And here we don't require any reference variable. And I told you last to last class, 30th or 29th, I told you the program, how to access the class variable outside the class and within the class. Within the class, here we don't require any reference variable. Outside the class, we need reference variable. If you want to access something like system.out.println, st.age, st.name, st. See, I am accessing the class member, student class member study outside this student class. So I need reference variable dot operator, access operator. But to access, if you want to access within this student class, this age and name, then how can you access? Using methods only. And here we don't require any reference variable. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Guys. And this program I shared you 29th or 30th. Like accessing the class variable outside the class, accessing the class variable within the method. If you have remembered, when I started class object first day.
Yes, yes.
So please practice. Don't think that every class you will go and this is company training is happening and we'll do and come. Here you should be in sync. Whenever I am taking new class, it is related to previous class and today's new concept, and it is depending on the new class. So all three you have to cover. Again and again, you people are not working hard. Simply you people are enjoying new year. That's it. So now, if you want to access within the method, then simply write age name here and call this method a study. It will call this method from here. Control will come here. It will age and name will be printed here. So what would be the value here? Tell me. What is the output of age? What is the
Zero.
output?
Uh, in class student,
0.
Zeros.
yeah, it will be 0, and in the other class it will be the defined value, like I think 55.
Okay. So here you are telling 0 and null, right? And
Yes.
here if we will access, then 55 and something will be there down. Right? Okay, let's see the program now. What you are getting? In constructor also 55 and ISA, and study also 55 and ISA. Means here we are getting 55 and ISA. 55 and ISA we are getting. So try to understand the concept. Again and again telling, constructor is not a simple method or something. It gets executed whenever this class is loaded. At that time only this constructor first it gets executed. Method and all comes later. But whenever you are writing this statement, creating an object means this part is getting executed at the time of loading the class only. Whenever you will load this class, first this will get executed. So from here control will come down. It will initialize the age and name with 55 and ISA. Then you are accessing the method study. So here already age name is updated with 55 and ISA. So that value you will get, not 0 null. Understood? This 0 will get
Yes.
updated with 55 ISA. But see, let's say, now if you want to, yeah, even here also you try to access. Here also you try to access this age and name. So st.age plus st dot what is that name inside I'm writing inside main. Yeah, run this. Some error is there. I have missed out the semicolon and bracket. See here, inside main also 55 Isha means this line get executed. So whatever value you have given inside the constructor, first it will update complete class. The constructor class variable. This class variable will get updated with the constructor value. Because now this is at class level, so age and name will get updated if you are updating something in constructor, because constructor will get loaded at the time of loading the class only. And this methods and all will come later when you will call explicitly. Here we are calling explicitly this study, then only it gets executed. But constructor we don't have to call only, it will get executed. Understood or not? Not understanding, then ask. If you have doubt, please ask. Anyone? So this is why, see, here as a programmer, in beginning we will not initialize any value to our class variable, so that we can reuse this as per our requirement. We can keep on giving different values and we can assign that. So to understand more uses of constructor, you should understand what are the types of constructor. Okay, so that's why I told here you'll go and learn what is the types of constructor. Types of constructor. So here constructor is having two types. One is default constructor. Default constructor. Another one is parameterized constructor. Parameterized constructor. So what do you mean by default constructor? Constructor without argument. Constructor without argument. I'll tell you. Without argument is a default constructor. And short form I'm writing, see, go here. Constructor without argument is called a default constructor. Gets invoked at by the JVM. JVM implicitly at the time of creating an object. Creating an object. Okay. Gets invoked by the JVM implicitly, and here we don't have to call this. We need not define the constructor. Define the default constructor. See? So default without argument means constructor without argument means, see here, what is argument? Argument means something inside the method. Like here, Inside this bracket, if you are writing something, some value, if you are giving, let's say 20, 30, this is called argument, either integer, string, hello, something. This is called whatever data you are passing here. This is called argument. Inside the bracket, whatever value you are passing is called as an argument. See here, that's why in main method also, this is what you write it here, args you are writing, means this is argument actually. Inside a bracket, whatever you are writing, that is called argument, okay, or it's called as a actual parameters, actual argument here. So if you write default without constructor, so any constructor, let's say student, this is constructor, and here you are writing 20, any string value or whatever value you want to pass, anything you can pass it here, let's say this. So this 20 and hello is an argument. This is called argument. Argument. So here in default constructor, we do not have argument. We are simply writing what? This one. So constructor without argument. See here. Constructor without argument. No argument is there. Down also you see, I am not given any argument. And this constructor you define in the class or don't define, doesn't matter. It will not throw any error. Understood?
Sir, I need some additional details on the last statement that you have indicated that we need not define the default constructor. Can you please give me some example? I'm not
The
sure
example
what.
is here. Example is here. So if you don't write also, no problem. If you write also, no problem. That is all. Default means what? Internally implicit behavior. It gets executed internally, default constructor, whether you write or don't write. But if you will write constructor output, you can see on your command prompt. See here, did I get any error in the program? But it doesn't mean that this constructor did not get executed. This got executed internally by the JVM, implicitly by the JVM. Each and every time it gets executed. If you will define, then you can see that constructor also. If you will define, you can see that constructor also. If you will define now, then you can see it explicitly. Anyway, that's why even you write or if even you define or don't define, doesn't matter. It will get executed internally each and every time. Default constructor by the JVM. Understood?
Okay. Thank you. Yeah.
Now it is getting executed. So that is default constructor. So default constructor, it will get invoked, called by the JVM at the time of creating object only. And here see everything is having their meaning. Implicitly, that day internally, implicitly means default behavior, like breathing of human being is an implicit behavior, right? So either someone will say, hey, you breathe or don't breathe. You will breathe only, right? Same way, default constructor will get executed each and every time whenever you will create an object internally. Understood? Is it clear? Tell me, not clear, then interrupt me. Simply silence will not work. Hello?
No, it's clear.
Yes.
Yeah.
Now, parameterized constructor means constructor with argument. With argument. What is that? See here, there is no argument means in this bracket no arguments. If some value is present inside this bracket means argumented method or parameterized method, parameterized constructor, parameterized constructor, or you can say argumented constructor. This one you see, this is non-parameterized, non-argumented constructor. Because at the time object you will create like this, so internally it will get executed. So constructor with argument means you can pass some value. This is called actual argument, like 10, 20. If you want to pass, you can pass it whatever value. So 10 and 20 are arguments of the method. Arguments of constructor, sorry, constructor. Constructor. And this is called actual argument. That is actual argument. Argument. Okay. So a student with argument, or you can say parameters, or we can say 10, 20 as actual parameter also. Actual parameter also. So parameter or argument. So here you must define, if you are writing at the time of creating object, if you are writing the parameterized constructor, then you must define. So here I am writing parameterized constructor must be defined, okay, inside the class. In case of default constructor, we need not define the default constructor, but here we must define. If you have declared parameterized constructor, you must define. Otherwise, compiler will throw error. Your actual argument and formal arguments are differ in length. Okay. So see here, now go in the program. Here, I'm not initializing anything now. Let it be. Okay, this is, let's create new program. Control A, Control C. This is default constructor. Default constructor. Now, Control V. Here, now let's say remove all this. Yeah. So here, if I will write, let's say 10, 20, anything, 10 name, whatever. So here, what is this? This is a student is a parameterized constructor, parameterized or argumented constructor. So here, now simply I'm saving this. Let's say I'm giving this args constructor. This program name I'm giving. Instead of a student, I'm writing person. Okay. Here, let me create the object of this. Sorry. And here, I think it's okay. Now, this is parameterized constructor. You must define in the class, otherwise it will throw error. Go save this program. Yes. 8 a batch. So here, just I am saving this program. .java. Here, this program. Now, if we will compile and execute this program, what is that? Java C. What is that? Argumented constructor. Some error. See here. See the error carefully. Person st new person student is a parameter. No arguments found integer. Actual and formal argument lists differ in length. Which type of value you are passing here? Integer type. Correct or not? And it is having two integers, 1 and 2. But in class, he is found nothing. Actual nothing is there. That's why at compile time only it's throwing error. See, one more time you error. So here you have defined the argument 10, 20. Right? It is compiler is finding it. Two integers are there. But formally, you have not defined this constructor inside this class. Okay?
Yes.
Are you getting or not? So parameterized constructor must be defined. In case of default, we don't have to define. See here, even we don't write also default constructor, we do not have issue. If we remove also, we do not have issue. But in case of parameterized constructor, argumented constructor, if you have written like this, then in the class you must define this. This constructor you must define in the class in the same parameter. How? You can define, just go here, write this. Now 10 is a integer. To store 10, you should declare same type of data type. So I am int x. Here I will write to store different type of integer int y. So 10 will come to x, 20 will come to y. To store this integer type of value, we should create here variable with the data type. So here x and y is called formal parameters. Formal parameters. Same thing, name is different. Now here just do this and .out.println, right? Yes, someone want to ask something. Here I am writing two argumented constructor. This will also get executed at the time of loading the class only. Only difference of default and parameterized is you must define in the class. If you will not define, it will throw error. Now you print x plus y value, you print. Here you will get the output 10, 20. Because x will come, x will store 10, y will. So whatever type you are defining here, same type you should declare inside this parameter or method anywhere. Now if you will execute, now no error. See, Java C argumented constructor. See, okay, class names are only explicitly requested. I have done some mistake.
No, it should be just a Java. I think we provided Java C.
Is it
Yeah.
here? You are telling here?
Yeah, Java. It should be Java, right? Yeah.
Yeah,
Perfect.
two argument constructor 10 and 20 we are getting. Let's see. Yes, Bonnie. What is your doubt? You are silent today.
No, sir, I'm following.
Okay. Fine. Everyone, please let me know. You are understanding this one or not. So in case of argumented constructor, parameterized constructor, you must define inside the class. And all the concepts are same. See, constructor name is same as class name. Only it is with argumented, so you must define in the class. If you will not define, you will get an error that actual and formal arguments differs in length. Length means here you have defined 2 arguments and here no constructor only with 2 arguments.
Sir, I have a doubt here. So right
Yeah.
now we defined these values inside, next to string, right? So what will happen if we provide that statement within the class? Say for example, yeah, so this integer x and y. So what will happen if we provide it in line number 13?
Line number 30 here.
Yeah, 13. Yeah, 13. So in
Here.
13, after class person, no, this integer x and y. Okay, so after next to class, class person, and then within brackets, what will happen if we provide integer x and y?
Here.
No, in line number 13, 1, 3.
So
Yeah, in 13, yeah, next to person, can you please start
here.
bracket? No, within the in line number 13. Is there any way I can get control? Yeah, and then
Here.
perfect. Yeah, if we remove one person, what will happen? Instead of doing it in 2 lines, we are trying to club it in 1 line, right? So is it the right syntax?
First of all, this is wrong syntax.
Oh, wrong syntax. Okay.
First of all, this is wrong syntax. And why it is wrong syntax? You are adding, instead of class name, you are adding constructor with class. See here, what is the syntax for declaring a class? Class name, correct?
Correct.
And you are giving here full constructor with instead of class name you are replacing with constructor.
Okay.
Class
So
name is
that's
a
not.
user defined name. It should be any name. That's it. But you are writing here as a method, right? What you are telling here, this is implicit internally. This line will get converted with this one actually. This line. Because of this will internally it's changed to like this only. Okay. But here, no. Class is class always. Here you should give class name. Here you are constructor is a member of the class and you are writing member of the class with class while defined. It's completely against the syntax and meaningless. Understood?
Okay.
And meaningless. If you write it here, person, see, this is your class name. Instead of class name, this is your class name. Constructor is a member of the class and you are writing member name with a class. It means it's not a class.
Okay.
You are removing the existence of class. Is it what you are expecting or something else is there in your mind which I am not able to explain?
No, that's it. That's it. Yeah, that was the question. Yeah, I think you answered it. Perfect.
Okay. Thanks. Others? Anyone having any doubt? If not, then I will sharing this because 9/7 is there. I will not take more time. And now only I am sharing, guys. Please download. Okay. And let me save this one also. Let me save this one also. Method variable txt. Again, I am sharing. Please download and make it in your way, in which way you want. Now I am not getting attachment. This is a problem. Sometimes I'll get, sometimes. Yes. Are you able to see these meetings? Are you able to see these meetings? A link code Java 7 AM batch. Do you have this meeting?
No.
No, if you go to calendar, here you are able to check. Can you see that? Like this you are getting. Hmm? See here I will get now these problems. Attach file option is there. Can you see that? Now as I am taking class, I think they are using free version. This is the problem. So here, see, I am not getting, once class will get over, we'll get attachment option here. Here attachment option will get. So, can I send this? Another issue. So guys, you people please chat that.
So if you click on that plus, what does it do on the bottom? There by the tab message.
Here, I am not able to see. Once this class will get over, I will able to see. I am able to see now
Okay.
attachment.
All
See,
right.
like see here, I have ended the class. Now if you go here, you saw attach file option is there. Can you see that?
Yes, sir.
So let me attach here only, and I will forward it here. So we are technical person, we can do something, right? So class Java, college Java, anything else? You need this notes. Finally, this is final. Okay. Now what I will do, let's say if I am doing this, now I am forwarding all this. Is there any forward? Is that at the rate link it? You cannot forward file to people outside your org. Okay, the names are coming here. Yeah, names are coming here, and the link it in that. So, at the rate. See, there is no attachment option here. Okay, guys, you please ping your Gmail ID here. Everyone, please ping your Gmail ID.
On the Teams or WhatsApp, sir?
No, here only. Please share your Gmail. The poll, everyone. I'll share to you, all of you. I'll share to this Gmail ID, all the program. Okay, I'll share to you. Let me stop the recording.